Good day viewers! This is the part 2 of my video entitled How to Grow Moringa in a Pot or a Container. Currently, I have planted 6 trunks. This is the 5th and the fastest grower, and this one is a new trunk that I found on the street. In my first video, I mentioned to you that this one was the first one to grow. Look how healthy it is now. To increase the fertility of the soil, I add dried leaves, vegetables and fruit peelings, as well as food scraps from the kitchen. Just a friendly reminder, for the food scraps, make sure that you bury them. Otherwise, they would attract insects like cockroaches or worse, rats. As what I've mentioned in my first video, 2 trunks are alive and growing well. This one, my champion trunk, and the second one. Look at its sprouts. These tiny branches, though a lot, are growing in such an extremely slow pace. Finally, a third trunk develops a shoot. That is after a month of waiting. I am now waiting for these 2 trunks, which are month old, to show any signs of life. To sum it up, I have 5 month-old trunks. 3 of them are alive and growing,